On construction sites around the world, progress rises from dust, steel, and sweat. But behind every towering structure, there's a hidden risk. A falling brick, a flying spark, a single misstep dot, and in just 1 second, everything can change. This is the story of the gear that stands between life and disaster. Personal protective equipment, or PPE. Simple, often overlooked, but absolutely essential. Today, we explore the equipment every builder should wear, why it matters, and how it saves lives every single day. Construction sites are among the most dangerous workplaces in the world. Workers face falling objects, sharp tools, loud machinery, electrical hazards, dust, and toxic materials. For many, these risks become routine, and that's where danger grows. Because familiarity can lead to carelessness. A missing helmet, a forgotten glove, a loose harness. These small choices can have irreversible consequences. But PPE exists for one reason: to reduce these risks. Not completely eliminate them, but give you a fighting chance. Your head is your most valuable asset. And on a construction site, it's constantly at risk. A dropped tool from above, a swinging beam, low-hanging structures. This is where the hard hat becomes your first line of defense. A proper hard hat absorbs impact, deflects falling objects, and protects against electrical contact. But wearing it is not enough. It must fit properly. It must be in good condition, and it must be worn at all times. A cracked helmet is no helmet at all. Your eyes are incredibly fragile. Yet on site, they face constant threats. Dust particles, flying debris, chemical splashes, sparks from welding. 1 second of exposure can mean permanent damage. Safety goggles and face shields are designed to block debris, resist impact, and protect against harmful light during welding. And still, many workers skip them. Just for a minute, they say. But accidents don't wait for convenience. Noise is an invisible danger. It doesn't cut or burn, but it damages you slowly. Jackhammers, drills, heavy machinery. Over time, exposure can lead to permanent hearing loss. Ear protection, like earplugs or earmuffs, reduces noise to safe levels. The problem? You won't notice the damage immediately. It builds over years, and by the time you realize it, it's too late. Every breath you take on site matters. Dust, cement particles, toxic fumes. They enter your lungs silently, and over time they can cause serious diseases like respiratory infections, lung damage, and long-term illness. But not all masks are equal. Now look down. Your feet support everything. On a construction site, the ground itself is dangerous. Sharp objects, heavy materials, slippery surfaces. Safety boots are essential. They provide steel or composite toe protection, slip resistance, and puncture-resistant soles. Regular shoes simply aren't built for this environment. Visibility can save your life. On busy sites with moving vehicles and machinery, being seen is critical. High visibility vests and clothing reflect light, stand out in low visibility, and help operators spot workers quickly, especially in low light or crowded environments. Working at height is one of the leading causes of fatalities. A slip, a misstep, and gravity takes over. Fall protection systems include harnesses, lanyards, and anchor points. But here's the truth. These systems only work if used properly. Electricity is silent and deadly. Builders working near power sources face serious risks. Electrical PPE includes insulated gloves, dielectric boots, and arc flash protective clothing. These are designed to prevent shocks and burns. But again, they must meet proper standards and be regularly inspected. PPE is only effective when it's maintained. Dirty, damaged, or worn out equipment can fail when you need it most. Every worker should inspect PPE daily, replace damaged items immediately, and store equipment properly. Safety is not just the employer's responsibility. It belongs to everyone on site. It's about respect for life, for work, and for each other. Every helmet worn, every glove used, every harness secured is a decision to go home safe. At the end of the day, number building, no project, no deadline, is worth a life. If this video helped you understand the importance of PPE, like this video, share it with builders, workers, and site managers, and subscribe for more powerful, life-saving content. Because safety isn't optional, it's essential.